Hi cupcakes! In today's video we're going to be packing our suitcase to travel to Spain. As we're filming this video, it's Tuesday and we're going to travel to Spain in Thursday inshallah. Dua isn't filming with me today because she usually doesn't pack with us, and now she's editing some videos to make it clear to you because some of you are confused. The vlog to Spain video that we posted in Ramadan was filmed before Ramadan. The vlog to Portugal too that we talked about in vlog to Spain, and they have nothing to do with those videos because this is another travel to Spain, and it's after finishing all the school and the final exams. Before starting this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe on our channel by hitting the red subscribe button under the video, and join the cupcakes fam. Click the notifications bell to receive a new notification each day, and if you want to know more about us and about our daily life, follow us on our Instagrams. The links will be down under the video in the description box. Now let's get started. I'm going now to grab the suitcase and then begin. I put it there just before the video so I can reach it easily. Oops. Here is our suitcase. Here is the bag where we have put the machine that we use to get rid of our body hair. Here is the toilet bag. We put here the deodorant, the hairbrush, the cream wash, the pads, and the teeth brush. And maybe we're going to put the toothpaste later. In this bag I put some hair accessories and some other accessories like necklaces, bracelets, and here I'm going to show you a trick to organize your necklaces. Here we have 3 straws and 3 necklaces. In this bag we're going to put our underwears and our bikinis, this perfume and those wipes. For now I'm gonna just put them here, and in this bag right here I put some pills that we take. That was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next video.